Hey foodies, I don't know if you're like me, but I've had this air fryer sitting in a box for months and I just started using it and I've made some honey mustard barbecue wings. Really simple and so delicious. And I did this without any frying in oil. Okay, I loved my deep fried wings, but you know what? These are so good. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is make a dry mix. So I have some baking powder in here. That's going to help with a little bit of crunch. And then we have some garlic powder and ginger powder. And then we have some paprika and onion powder. Then we're going to go in with salt and pepper. All right, you can use seasoned salt if you prefer. So I'm going to mix everything together and we are going to coat the chicken wings with this. So the air fryer, I'm preheating it for about 4 to 5 minutes is good. So I'm preheating it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's going, let's check out this simple sauce. It's honey mustard and barbecue sauce. Then I'm gonna add some Frank's Red Hot sauce and some honey. Then we're gonna mix everything together and we'll just simmer this on the stove for about 2 minutes because it doesn't need to be cooked for very long. We just want it to bubble a little bit so all those flavors can mesh together nicely. Now for the chicken wings, add your dry mix, okay? And just coat everything together. Please check the description box below, guys, okay? So this is coated and we're good to go. The air fryer is preheated, so we're gonna put this in for 8 minutes. Okay, so you can spray it if you want to, or you can leave it as is. So put that in there for 8 minutes. If your chicken wings are on the larger side, you're gonna do 10 minutes, but 8 minutes is great as well. Okay, so we'll do 8 minutes at 390 Fahrenheit, and then just check on the sauce. Once this gets bubbling after about 2 to 3 minutes, you can take it off the heat, okay? And then we're gonna check on the wings. So after 8 minutes, of course they're not completely done. We're gonna flip them over and then put them back in there for another 8 minutes. However, if you're using very big wings, do 10 minutes instead, okay? So flip them over, put them back in the air fryer, same 390, and you're gonna do them for 8 to 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, so we've done 16 minutes total so far, and I'm going to brush that sauce all over the chicken wings, and I'm gonna turn up the heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit just to get that sauce sticky and really nicely caramelized. So 400 degrees Fahrenheit now, and we're gonna put it for another 8 minutes or 10 minutes depending on the size of your chicken wings, okay? So you can brush it just one time, brush it all over and put it in there, or you could brush one side, put it in for 4 minutes, flip it over, and then brush, put it back in, do another 4 minutes, okay? So just get that in there, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit to get that nice caramelization going on. And then that's it. Beautiful honey mustard barbecue wings. These are so juicy. Now I understand why so many people love an air fryer, because you get to cook this for a good amount of time without losing that juiciness, and it's gorgeous. You have some caramelization, so it's a little bit chewy, there's crunchy in spots, it's saucy. This is so good, guys. So give it a try. Let me know what you think, and let me know in the comment section if you have an air fryer and what brand it is. Tell me if you enjoy using it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.